Bryophytes. This category is consisting of mosses and liverworts. They are usually found in moist shaded areas under the foot of the hills. These are known as amphibians of plant kingdom because they live on soil but they need water for reproduction. Their body is more differentiated than the algae. They lack true roots, stem and leaves. The plant body is haploid in nature, which leads to formation of gametophytes. Male sex organ is known as antheridium and female sex organ is known as archegonium, which is flask shaped and produces one egg. The zygote so forms sporophytes, and these sporophytes gives us spores. This sporophyte zygote do not undergo meiosis division immediately after formation. It first forms sporophyte. This sporophyte is attached to gametophyte, which is photosynthetic in nature, and this sporophyte is attached to gametophyte to get the nutrition from gametophyte, and this sporophyte gives us spores. Now let us understand these two plants. Liverworts, their plant body is thalloid, and when they show asexual reproduction, they reproduce through fragmentation or the formation of gammae. Gammae, what happens? This gammae, it detaches from the parent body and then germinates. Gammae is nothing but green colored asexual buds. When liverworts reproduce sexually, male plus female fusion leads to formation of sporophyte. This sporophyte gets differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. Capsule contains spores, and upon favorable conditions, capsules burst, spores get dispersed and thus gets germinated. In case of mosses, the dominant stage of plant body is gametophyte, which is further divided into two stages. First is protonema. In protonema is the stage which is directly formed by the spores or developed from the spores, whereas leafy stage is developed from the secondary protonema as lateral buds. When they reproduce vegetatively, fragmentation or budding in secondary protonema is the phenomenon. When they reproduce sexually, male plus female organ is grown on the apex of leafy shoot, leads to formation of zygote. Zygote leads to formation of sporophyte, which is differentiated into foot, seta and capsule contains spores. Bryophytes are useful in or as packaging material in cases of shipment transfer. It prevents soil erosion because mosses forms good cover over the soil and thus binds the soil, and they also lead to rocks decomposition, hence supporting the growth of other higher plants or trees. So this is bryophytes. Bryophytes are mosses and liverworts. They are found in moist shaded areas. They are also known as amphibians of plant kingdom. Plant body is more differentiated, but they lack true stem, leaves and roots. Their plant body is usually found in haploid stage, where they produce gametophyte, and male and female or sex organs lead to formation of zygote, which gives us sporophyte, which is for the formation of spores, and thus they are reproduced. So this is all about bryophytes.